Hey y'all, welcome to DHP. If you're so inclined, please subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. The engagement's awesome. So just to follow up to the initial review of the Bissell XR Pet, I think I did not go over emptying it, and I noticed my son had an issue. So let's check it out. First of all, comes off here like this. And then you push that button to kind of pop it off a little bit. And then this guy here releases it. The door pops open and empty. Alternatively, there's a lock and an unlock, but you can pull it off. And you'll see the little filter guy can be yoinked right out and easily cleaned. Now, I have a husky, but for this method, otherwise you kind of got to get your fingers up in there, which is kind of something I hated about the shark I had. So, empty that off. Okay, empty that back. I'm going to show you this one. So if we had it, let's see if that'll work. So if we had it locked like that, you just you push that button, and it pops open like that. So I guess if you get to it quicker than me, I guess that's why it has the but it's so little capacity. That's the gripe, but you can't have it all. I guess if I went with that, I could just use the trapdoor. I reckon you have to do it all the time. Alrighty, it just fits in there. Maybe don't do what I did. Sorry for the sound effects. Alrighty, again, unlock, lock, unlock, lock. Press. And then, I don't think I went over that. This is what the charger looks like. Really basic. Make of that what you will. Kind of slow charges. Takes a good while. Just in like that. I did read that the other thing is this is it doesn't state on here, I believe. I guess it does. Kind of does if you can do the math, but it's a 2-amp-hour battery, which does not last very long on maximum power. So I didn't see any upgrade batteries for these, but I did discover through Reddit you can use the Greenworks fit on here. I guess it's like the same company brand. Greenworks also has a version of this. I don't know if it's the Pet. But, yeah, you could use those. They have 6-amp-hour, 8-amp-hour, yada, yada. Hell expensive, though. But if you're already in the line, you're good to go. All right. Continuing on cleaning up this horrendous mess in the garage so I can work on the cars. Following the gate fence adventure. So we'll clean it up. Watch he is. Oh, come on. I just checked you. You have 3 bars. I pulled the trigger. Maximum power. Tons of sawdust in this garage. Are you next? Reset 3 power settings. Maxed out. Full battery. He's pretty straightforward, easily. Also, my husky loves to lay on this rug. Yeah, ripping. Damn! Okay. Coming up on the extensive sawdust area. I saved, shop vacuum for this one on the rug always. Maximum power. Max boost engaged. Did a good job. I'm impressed. See where we're at with the. Yep. Zoom out for you. Picked up a lot of crap. Let's empty it. Get a better idea. And then this is what it looks like underneath there. So I'd already picked up some stuff, some stragglers. Alright, let's try the, I dump all that stuff out. Okay, let's try the trapdoor method. Alright, so again, this button pops it away from the handle, and trapdoor here opens this guy. Let's check it out. Alright, picked up all that. We emptied it in the beginning. Picked up all of that. That's pretty damn good. I think we got a keeper. Under 200 bucks. Best section I found. Has its drawbacks, but overall, it's a keeper. So check it out. Thanks for checking out the video, and y'all have a good one. See you next time.